Tired of leads disappearing into the Craigslist void when they should be populating in your Kvcore? Let's troubleshoot why your Craigslist and Kvcore integration isn't working and get those leads flowing again. First, logged into your Kvcore dashboard, we're going to start by checking your Craigslist settings. Navigate to the Marketing Autopilot section. It's usually found on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you're in Marketing Autopilot, find and click on the Craigslist posting option. This is where Kvcore manages your Craigslist integration. Make sure the email address you're using in your Craigslist postings is the special Kvcore provided email address. It's crucial that you use this specific email and not your personal or business email. Otherwise, Kvcore won't be able to track the leads. This Kvcore email address is unique to you and is designed to forward leads directly into your Kvcore system. You can usually find your specific Kvcore email address within this Craigslist posting section. Next, double-check your Kvcore smart number settings. Ensure your smart number is active and correctly configured. An inactive or misconfigured smart number can disrupt the lead capture process. Finally, verify your lead routing rules within Kvcore. Ensure that leads coming from Craigslist are being routed to the correct agents or groups within your system. Incorrect routing can make it seem like leads are disappearing when they're actually just going to the wrong place. If after checking these steps, your integration still isn't working, reach out to Kvcore support for further assistance. Good luck.